Hey friends, thanks for tuning in today to Tiffany Baby TV. I have an update for you. We are not doing a full review today. Today we're going to do an extension of a video that I have already filmed. Today we're going to be looking back at Bling. Remember Bling? We rocked Bling for New Year's Eve and she had that really pretty jeweled hand-tied part with the rhinestones down the middle. I talked about how special this unit is and just how pretty that party space is with those rhinestones, but in all honesty, after New Year's Eve, I wouldn't ever wear this with the crystals on it again. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these today so that you can see what this unit looks like without them, if that's something that you're interested in, because I do think that this unit is absolutely gorgeous. This hair looks like bundles. It is so luxurious. So let's see if this is versatile enough for an everyday sleigh. Are you ready? Go ahead, watch me work. Alright, so here is that rhinestone part again on Bling. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out exactly how to get these off of here with you guys. Here's what that parting space looks like without the jewels. Let's hit this with the lace tint spray. Bam. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this quick little update and give this video a thumbs up because I just ruined my wig for you guys. I'll never be able to put those jewels back on there. I do it all for you and I give you guys what you want to see, and some of my viewers asked me to do an update with removing the jewels from Bling. I appreciate the time that you spent watching this video. It should be pretty quick, so make sure that you comment down below and let me know that you liked it and make sure that I know that you saw this video. Thanks for your time. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Thanks for watching Tiffany Baby TV. Bye, friends.